Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to block messages and video calls in Facebook Messenger. First, you need to go to your profile or go to homepage of Facebook and then click here and go to settings and privacy and choose settings. Go to blocking sections and go to block messages and choose edit. So block messages and video call from someone which may be your friend or strangers. So go click at the block list. Here you will type the name of your friends or someone you want to block if you have, and then okay. So how it is easy to block messages and video calls from someone which may be your non-friends or strangers. Subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.